This is a standard retractable batting cage. This is the height of the batting cage when in use. Make sure to leave a foot of excess netting on the ground to keep balls in play. When the batting cage is done being used, lower it to waist level. This will take about a minute and a half. Once it is at waist level, begin putting the net on top of the cage for storage. Start in one corner and work your way around until all of the net is on top of the cage. Finally, raise the frame up into the ceiling for storage. The batting cage is designed to be stored in the ceiling with the net on top and then retracted down when ready to use.